Okay, well, welcome back. We're third video in now, so just want to give you guys a quick update on where we're at with the project. And as you can see, the door has now been taken off the other side. Some of the markings for the infrastructure that's going to go in the back have been made, and we're just getting prepped for the back. And as well, you can see we've made some progress inside the trailer, so we'll just go have a quick peek at that. So we've got all the sides prepped for so the ramp will be going here, if you can imagine that for a second. So this is all ready for that, and on this side, this will be where the new doghouse is going to be, so all the infrastructure is set for that. And then way back here, we've got about half the floor installed. So you can see that we've got some cross members in place, and then back here, the floor as well, so that everything just sort of leapfrogs all the way to the back of the trailer. So the next time we talk, the floor should be pretty well finished, and maybe some of the doghouse going in place, so looking forward to seeing you guys in our next video. Thank you.